Sorry guys, we are delay. Next time I leave them 15 minutes prior only. Second, this is better. So will not wait. They are requesting for time change. Okay. Once I get update, I'll update today within a class only. In a class time. Second, yeah, we have Anisha, Ragini, and Vallabh, 3 students. Vallabh, you're coming for offline now? Okay. Yes. Mine? Seven rise. इसने क्वेश्चन डिलीट किया थे वही दिन शाम को डिलीट हो गया ठीक है मैं अपलोड करता हूं फिर सभी guys in your group make sure everyone download notes from drive do not delete okay so guys we have done one way and over last time we just done a maths we frame hypothesis we frame maths and solution we have not done in Python. I will share a file we're doing in Python. Okay. This Saturday, most probably I will try to keep next Saturday only for you. At least you get 1 week time for study.
This Friday
So, sir, no test for this Saturday, no?
No, the test will not be there on this Saturday. I request them to shuffle on 24. Shuffle on first or second. Or when you need 31st. After that, you will have a mock. Same day, next day. For example, you given a test on 31st, you will have mock on 1. It depends upon the management decision. जो सॉल्व करोगे जो टेस्ट दोगे उसी पे क्वेश्चंस होंगे
सर लाइक ये संडे को टेस्ट रहेगा क्या
this Sunday I will not keep your test because I will be finishing a syllabus by 27
okay
so 28 29 tests will not be there you will be getting 3 or 4 days for study okay so when you need a test 3 to 4 days okay 27 I will be finishing 28 29 30 31st you need 4 days holidays or 3 days
4 days 4 days
you need 4 days my suggestion for you if you study one topic okay I'm asking first about stats exam I'll come to mock later from stats my suggestion 3 days is fine my suggestion you just have t test ANOVA z test and f test probability 5 theory just you have to do in Python only everything you can write na x is equal to 0.9 a b can you solve addition theorem on pen paper same thing can you write on Excel in Python also plus minus कर सकते हो ना Python में
सर एक्चुअली स्मॉल डाउट आप पेन पेपर एग्जाम बोल रहे हैं या पाइथन
Python exam
okay
you will be having your stats in Python
okay
theory I teach you on pen papers to build your confidence if I directly give you the Python code you will say something is happening in the class but we don't know okay that's the point that's what I do you first solve on pen paper once you solve compare your answers same with your Python if it is matched with your Python indication we build confidence tomorrow you take any data you can able to solve every stats everything stats will come in Python so you have exam statistics it's okay I'm just one second line stats in Python your exam will be in Python for stats so you require 4 days or 3
so 4 days sir
4 days need 4 days for your examination I'll try to inform Utkasha ma'am on 31st on 1st I will take your test 1st of June okay I need to confirm with the ma'am okay because the prior date was given was 28 or 29 Let me confirm with the ma'am first.
सर स्टैट्स के लिए क्लासरूम टेस्ट ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है क्या?
Now you will have assessment on Friday. The way we have Python assessment, we have stat assessment also. Then you will have your mocks on 3rd or 4th.
So what is meaning of mocks like?
I will ask you, take your interview.
Okay.
Mock means your interview. 4th नहीं होगा, 3rd होगा. 4th I'm not there in Pune. नहीं.
सर असेसमेंट और पाइथन एग्जाम इतना जल्दी जल्दी हो जा रहा है. आई मीन गैप कुछ भी नहीं है प्रिपेयर करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक
1 वीक का गैप मिला ना आपको?
लाइक सर 27th को सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो रहा है. सो आफ्टर दैट असेसमेंट टेस्ट होगा. फिर
Assessment is on 27.
ओके.
Okay, and you have your test on 1st.
ओके.
4 days study बहुत हो जाएगा. Believe me, when you open your book and study now, first you give your stats examination. If you are able to get good marks in stats indication, you will get a good marks in mocks. They'll ask you basic question, when to use SQL, okay, what is the use of select. Okay. Just log into a drive. We'll do discussion later. Log into a drive. I'll share a file.
सर वन मोर डाउट प्लीज बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द लेक्चर.
Yes.
आप स्टैट्स के पूरे डे 1 से अब तक नोट्स आप ड्राइव में अपलोड करेंगे ना?
Already uploaded है madam.
ओके सर.
Means you don't study daily.
आई मीन
Anisha, if you study in one day now, you will not score a good marks. And one day knowledge will only give you certification. Will not give you a good job. So it's a suggestion. It's your opinion. I always suggest to students study daily 1 hour is fine.
ओके सर.
Basic of log into a drive. I've given the file, guys. The file name is ANOVA Final. नहीं, छुट्टी 2 दिन की मिल जाएगी. Saturday, Sunday. You don't have any function right now, no? ऐसे कोई big function तो नहीं है, Diwali or something. So when you have Diwali and something, you can get a holiday. So, and that is better. I agree with that. Guys, I've given the file also ANOVA Excel.
यस सर. सर आप ही जो ओपन करो बोले ANOVA फाइनल 1 राइट?
नहीं, sorry. share the new file. The file name is ANOVA demo. You have to start your Python. You have to download ANOVA file, ANOVA final, which is your Python file.
सर फाइल का नाम एनोवा फाइनल है ना, वो
हाँ.
ओपन हो गया, फिर उसके बाद
Share your screen. I've given the access. Go to your drive, madam. दोनों फाइल डाउनलोड किया, ओपन हो गया. You
Yes.
just have to change the location path and run the code.
नो सर आई हैव डाउनलोडेड फ्रॉम द शेयर्ड थिंग एनोवा फाइनल वन, पाइथन में ओपन करे डाउनलोड से.
Correct.
आफ्टर दैट आई ओपन दैट फाइल, एनोवा वन टेबल बोल के आया.
Same way, the way I'm getting a screen,
यस सर.
you just have to change the location path. You just set the location where your ANOVA demo is there.
वो कॉपी करके यहाँ पर पेस्ट करना सर.
Anisha, you share your screen. I'll guide you. Screen क्यों share हो रही है आपके साथ?
यस सर.
The way you have done details, guys. You know now how to import data. Same way, you just have to change the location path over here. The file of the location of your demo. So this is not connected. This is the file. Kiran, you don't put the file. You open in Jupyter. Over here, you just have to copy the path and paste.
Sir, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Uh,
Using a Mac? No, it's a Windows only. Okay. Now go to the file which you download. Go to share with me, Anisha.
yes.
Click on share with me, left hand side, second window.
Yes, sir.
PWDW. Can you see the folder name below?
Okay.
And go to stats,
Okay.
ANOVA. Download this file.
Yes, sir.
Click on file.
Okay.
Click on down. Cancel this. Cancel this. Cancel. Cancel. Cancel कीजिए upper से.
This one?
No, no. Come to the drive. Come to drive. Come to your drive location, madam. ऊपर है ना फाइल में ड्राइव लिखा हुआ. हाँ. इस पे राइट क्लिक कीजिए. ANOVA डेमो पे. ANOVA demo file.
Okay.
Right click. So you don't have to click on file. It's okay.
Okay.
Download XLSX.
First option, sir?
Yes. So you're working on Mac.
Yes, sir.
Close this. You don't have to open. I say to open you.
Sorry.
I say close this one by one.
This one?
Close this. Go to your Chrome.
Okay.
Chrome. I just want to search something.
Okay.
Right. Any desk. Click on this. Do you have this software? Click on the first link. Download. You're using a Mac now?
Yes, sir.
Download.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Download, install this, and then I will teach you how it works.
Okay.
Meanwhile, you just stay with us in screen. Everyone on screen. Are you getting error? Where error? If a module not found. Whenever you get module not found, you have to install this by using pip install. And then you put the package name or research by or anything. Okay.
Where can I find any desk?
Hmm?
Any desk कहाँ पे मिलेगा?
Anisha,
Yes,
just
sir.
be with us. Okay, I'll perform over here. Okay, in a break time when students are writing, I'll do for you. I'll explain it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then everyone, this is fine. I'll explain the code. Anisha, just open the book where we have solved ANOVA table.
Yes, sir. Do you want me
Well,
to screen?
no, you just have to open a theory book.
Okay.
In theory, we have done ANOVA last time, remember?
Yes, yes.
Guys, how many types of ANOVA we have?
2 types, sir.
Two. Which are two?
ANOVA 1 and 2.
One way and two way. Okay. When I say one way, two way, guys, a logical question, when we use ANOVA? When we compare more than two means or more than two columns, we can simplify. In one way ANOVA, we have how many types of variable? One independent, one dependent, one factor. Okay. In two way ANOVA, two factor, one dependent. Dependent means number, factor means category. This I make you right, if you remember. Okay. Why ANOVA is used? Why ANOVA is invented, guys? So in two sample details, we can compare only two means. When we have more than two, we used to compare using ANOVA. Okay. Now I come back to the Python on screen, everyone. We are importing a package pandas. Okay. There are two packages which is used for running ANOVA. One is your SciPy, second one is your ResearchPy, third one is StatsMod. Any one you can use, which is used for running ANOVA for you. Till you clear? So it is your opinion, whichever method you want to use, you can use. Till you clear?
There are multiple methods of calculating.
Yes. Till you clear? I would like header for you, easy to understand. Okay. I'll share this update, don't worry. We first import data, call as ANOVA demo. Now same file, guys, we have taken on pen paper. Just open that and cross check the numbers. Same data, same number. So I believe you have all the numbers for calculation once. Okay. First step is what? We take alpha as 5% error. Then you frame hypothesis. Think there is no significant difference between all types of car with respect to sales. Please cross check the hypothesis also. Anisha, please do. Vallabh, Ragini.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, guys, what I've done are two ways of solving. Method 1 and method 2. You can use any one, depends upon you. There is no hard and fast rule. Okay. I say from DF data, column name sales. From DF, where type car is I-20. I have taken data of I-20 sales, taken data of Swift, taken data of Baleno. So three columns have taken I-20, Swift, and Baleno. I want to perform statistics for F1 way. So we are running one way ANOVA. Okay. I get 9.77. Can you see what is the value of this we have in table? FKL value. So here we are performing one way ANOVA and we get this F calculated value. Now guys, we are working on software. We don't working on the pen paper. So for working in software, we use p-value. What is the rule for p-value? Alpha, we reject S naught. Now here, what is the p-value we have? 0.01 and alpha value 0.05. Can I say 0.01 is less than 0.05? So what we do? We reject and conclude that there is a significant difference. Method 1 clear. Next, same way, but I'm solving in different way, guys. OLS sales depends on type of cars. Okay, data taken from DF. Fit means apply all formulas. Assigning in result. From this result, I just need ANOVA. Okay, so SM stand for stats model. Give me ANOVA table. Compare this number, guys. Same number are you getting? When we do in pen paper, compare ANOVA table. Pen paper. 516. What is SSE residual error? 172. Compare with the pen paper, madam. Pen paper. Software match होगा. You can see from. You have the book. So you have sheet. Okay. So here we are comparing 3 different types of car. Is moving forward, you can see the F value which we have over here, 9.7. It matches with here also. .01. So same value we have over here, 0.01. So either use method 1 or either use method 2. It is your opinion. Type of car is category or number? Category. That's how I written C over here. So sales depends on type of car. So this tilde defined mean depends. Okay, data taken from DF. Fit means I want to apply the function. Next, I want to compute ANOVA. ANOVA from result. Clear? So what we say, we reject S naught and we conclude there is a significant difference between all types of car. Can we say all types of car difference? Can I say no car is same? I-20, it's not similar to Swift. Agree? Then Swift is not similar to Baleno. Then only I can say they're different. Okay. Another part, guys, I'm teaching out of a syllabus. Okay. So people say, okay, 3 cars are not different. We also agree. Which one is most different? सबसे अलग कौन सी है? We have data of sales. So either sales can be low, sales can be high. So which is most different? Guys, it's not part of a syllabus. I'm teaching in Python. We do post-op test. Op test. Okay. Multiple comparison. Sales versus type of car. I'm assigning in MC. In MC, what is the test name? Cookies HSD test. Now, when I compare Baleno versus Swift, what happened, guys? P value less than alpha. Baleno versus I-20. P value less than alpha. Can I say we reject S naught? Can see here it's coming through. Yes, we are rejecting. When I compare I-20 versus Swift, P value, we are not rejecting. So guys, Baleno and Swift, there is a difference. So what I am doing, I'm comparing this two. I'm comparing this two. There is a difference. But when I compare these two, they are same in performance. Agree? So यहाँ पे difference नहीं है. Now guys, which is a common car where we have a difference? Common car is which one? So can I say Baleno is different than compared to other car in terms of sales? So post stock will give you most different car. Clear? This is extra part I've covered. No need. By default, check as 5%. Every software by default take 5%. Next, two-way ANOVA. In two-way ANOVA, guys, how many variable we required? See the theory, see a book. In two-way ANOVA, one dependent, two factor. Two factor means two category. Two different category. Number remains same. Okay. Now we make hypothesis one for car wise and one for location wise. Same you have written, just cross check. We say there is no significant difference between all types of car. So if I am a showroom owner, I will sell all three cars. Every car is equal importance to me. If I am an owner, I have three showrooms. Every showroom is equal importance to me. Let's have frame for car wise and location wise. OLS, sales value depends on type of car. Type of car is number or category, Shantanu? Type of car is number or category? Category. That's why we write C. Location is also category, we write C. Data, DF. Fit means apply. From here I want to make ANOVA table. Okay. Compare this number, guys. Vallabh, Ragini, Anisha, compare the numbers.
Yes, sir.
Exactly match. Type 2 means compute for all the errors. Compute for this. Residual is also called as error. Now guys, if you can see here, what is the p value for car wise? Less than alpha. Location wise, greater than alpha. Alpha is how much? 5%. So can we say location wise there is a significant difference? So we reject for type of car and we conclude there is a significant difference between all types of car. Can you please repeat? Numbers के लिए हम पूछने लगते हैं. For number we don't write. So my suggestion, guys, tomorrow write homework everyone. Perform one way, two way ANOVA in Python and come. I did not receive any homework for this one, guys. So when you will upload? Rahul has given. Data is not there. So you have taken a small data. Vallabh, your data is there inside this only?
Sir, my laptop is not working today, so I'm doing on mobile.
Shubham, Shantanu, when you will submit? T-test किया आपने? Shall give you a wrong feedback, Shantanu. Submit on time. Anisha, Ragini, guys,
So
you
I'm
can take
doing
a
for
you
today's
can take a idea from these people who have already solved. So I need solution from you, Anisha and Ragini, by today. And Shantanu. 3 students will submit for T-test on Drive. People who are done with T-test, the remaining students, Vallabh, Rahul, Kiran, Shubham, and Yogesh. You will submit for one way ANOVA. One way ANOVA topic. One way and two way. I'm making us a folder over here. Guys, if you can see over here, the code which we write is very small in size. The main thing is how you read the data. Clear? You don't have to perform post-hoc test. You submit your homework. Okay. Post-hoc is not there in your syllabus. I have given you. Okay. So if you study for examination, it will not come for you. But I will explain this later. When you come to machine learning and so on, that time we will be needed this. I have given you for your reference to keep with you. Okay. Or do you want to delete? It's okay now. Anisha, okay for you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So guys, I make you solve ANOVA on pen paper. I make you solve same data in Python, or answer matches. So tomorrow, if you get another data, calculation will remain same. Reading also will remain same. Got the point? So it never changes your reading and conclusion. Data change, solution get changed. But the concept, the formula will always remain same for you. Same way. 0.05%. Then you have to write alpha value. Then you have to define the alpha value. If question say 0.1% or say 1%, so you compare this with 1%. If question take 10%. No, you just have to use how we use alpha over here is 0.01 example. Here we have p value. We get from the software 0.01. Alpha we have. This we assume now. We don't write in software. Can we assume 1 also? Need to write in software. So now you will compare p value with the given alpha as alpha change. Clear? Now guys, there is our new topic, one of the very good topic, easy calculation, but my suggestion you have to increase the speed. Increase speed for theory writing. Concept wise, you'll go very slow. Write the topic name chi-square. Pen paper. We'll solve example on pen paper, we'll compare with Python. Within 1 hour, 3 methods. We'll finish. Write this one, guys. Are you able to see the screen? Guys, 1 second, I'm sharing a screen. You write for 2 methods. They are in similar lines for calculation. I explain 2 methods at 1 point. Okay. First method name.
3 points. The yellow and
Yes, everything. Done, guys. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And scroll down. Write what is there in yellow color. I'm repeating. What is there in yellow color? Only yellow color you have to write. Write this one. Hypothesis is okay. You can write if you want. Write hypothesis also, guys. Write faster. Done, everyone. The formula is same, huh? either आप ये लिखो या ये लिखो, same है.
सर ये अंदर chi स्क्वायर स्टैटिस्टिक्स के ये फॉर्मूला आता है क्या?
Guys, are you practicing starts in Python probability? Probability भी कीजिए. I have given the code over there to the drive. मैंने आपको code भी समझाया ना probability. I'll give the code. Once we done this one, I'll come back to probability. Chi-square difference.
Like as a calculated,
No.
there are particular codes.
सर ये क्वेश्चन भी लिखना क्या?
You have put everything.
Okay.
Guys, I have changed the name, okay? I have written Democratic Republic and others. The actual name of the parties are different. I've just written this name. Yes, it could be different. So one second. Let me just. Yes, your question, please. उनके marks count नहीं होते. That is why performance. If you perform well in assessment indication, I gave the report. You have a chance of clearing examination. The LMS examination have a marks. लेकिन Python के LMS में कम ही होनी चाहिए. You don't believe, guys, when I was today, I'm able to speak with anyone. 1,000 people, 10,000 people also seminar I've taken. I've taken one seminar where we have 1,000 students sitting in front of me and I was teaching them. When I was doing a first presentation in my career, which happened in my college in SY BSc. Teacher say, if you present, I'll give you full marks. Madam, nahi chiya, I'll pass ऐसे ही. मैंने दिया ही नहीं. Same happens in TY BSc. Again, I say I'll not give. I've not given only. I got some marks. Your presentation is 0. I score in theory, written, MCQs, practical, external paper, internal paper. So mocks का जो था मतलब the presentation था skip. When I go for MSc, I go to NMIMS. They say, Irfan, we have 80 presentation. कितने skip करोगे? You have to do one day. So first day while presenting, over there we have a plant AC. These are normal ACs. Plant AC temperature 16 means iska 10. The class is full chilled. Dean ma'am, principal, vice chancellor, okay, 7 faculties, 40 students are sitting. And I have to present. I went over there. कुछ तो है आज क्लास में. Then say Irfan आज तेरा ही presentation है. So okay, I was remember कि मेरा presentation था, but I was like neutral. I don't want to give. So I came to presentation. मुझे plant DC में पसीने आ रहे थे. और my hand is like shaking. और जो लिखा है ना मैंने उसका उल्टा बोल दिया. Alpha 5% करके मैंने बोला alpha 0.95%. तो 0.95% भी. So some people, students have to ask question. I was like, ठीक है. बोल तो दिया, अभी कुछ चेंज नहीं कर सकते. I completed a presentation for 15 minutes. कैसे कैसे करते half, full, half. One time I came to a point I was reading PPT. So then Dean ma'am said, Irfan, ठीक है. The presentation was not too good, but it was good as compared to you. At least you speak up now. Then I going by day after every 1 week, then the presentation happens. Then we keep on learning how to present yourself. Till एक milestone होता है, small. Once I reach to the final day, 80 presentation is equal to 1 presentation. And that 1 presentation I have marks. That 1 presentation I perform very well. People who are professionals who are presenting very well, at that time they get stuck. I don't. Because I know कि कहाँ पे stuck होते हैं. And I've improved myself. And they are coming in a very open-minded, so they have very confidence, high level. Sometimes high confidence lead you low marks. Same happened with my partner, Priya Raiker. She's very good. I agree. She's scoring presentation out of 200, 150. I score 190. उसने आज तक मुझसे बात नहीं की. 7 years happens. Okay. So presentation skill is very important. What you understand. So when you go for a mock, like Anisha, Ragini, Vallabh, anyone who go for a mock, make yourself, you speak slow. Your volume can be slow or loud, it's okay. But when you speak any single word, okay, speak very slow. Okay. You have to speak very slow in the mock.
सर वो मॉक से पहले आप एक बार इंटरव्यू ले लो ना, लाइक प्रैक्टिस के लिए.
मॉक ही प्रैक्टिस इंटरव्यू है.
अच्छा, ओके.
Okay. We call mock because you cannot say practice interview. So which does not look like professional, no? That's a mock. It's like stats look like academic. Machine learning look like professional approach. So वैसे name change किया. So this is suggestion. You know half part, उतना ही बोलो लेकिन आराम से बोलो. Don't say fast and don't increase your volume very high suddenly. This make a bad impression. Okay, I will take your presentation once I'm done with your stats, everything. Then 1 week, I'll do one experiment with you.
कैसा प्रेजेंटेशन, मतलब पूरा एस्टिमेट से?
No, it's not decided now. Once you're done, I'll give you time. I'll teach you what I expect from you and what you should expect from me. Your difference, we will do a discussion one day. once we complete all the stats part, the theory part.
So how many questions here?
Shall I? So what time? Nahi, they are not ready only. They are not giving the marks. 25, 25. Out of 25, 25 or 28 students we have over there. On screen. Guys, moving forward. Chi-square test, coming back to theory, chi-square test is used when we have category data. Wait, what is the meaning of category data? Yes, no, male, female. Okay, this become your category data. What type of data we take in ANOVA, guys, for calculation? Numbers the na pe? We compute calculation for numbers. And same for t-test numbers. So ANOVA t-test works on numbers. But when you come to chi-square only works for category. The chi-square test is a non-parametric test. What is the meaning of parameter, guys? I teach you. Computing mean of population. What is the meaning of statistics? Mean of sample. So if we have gender variable, can we compute mean? Shantanu, gender variable ka mean compute hoga? No. So can we call they are non-parametric? It deal with multiple sample with category data. Let's see what is the meaning of multiple samples. Chi-square test is a statistical test commonly used for comparing observed data with expected data. Observed data means what we have. For example, guys, when I come to the first time to teach you, let's say we have 20 students. Okay, what is my assumption? 10 males, 10 females. That is my expected. But when I come and see the class, 16 male, 4 female. Can we call this as observed data? But the point, observed data means the original data which we have. Expected means what I expect from the data. Okay, there are three types of tests: homogeneity, chi-square test of independence, and goodness of fit. All these three tests use same formulas. Formula is also same. In one sample t-test, two sample t-test, paired sample t-test, formula was different. But in this case, formula is also same. Only the changes happens on how we collect data and what we want to test. These two changes define which test is most applicable. Okay. Here you have written a test which is called chi-square. Let's take a small scenario, guys. Guys, I'm taking a scenario just to explain you. Okay. Let's say we have gender. Kiran, female. Rahul, male. Ragini, female. Okay. Then we have Shantanu, male. Then we have Nisha, female. Shubham, male. Clear? Now, let's say one second. Oh, I'm not able to write. 1 second. No? Let me think, guys. 1 second. I'm thinking another concept for you. The relation. We have political parties in India. There are many parties. BJP, we have Congress, we have. When we have others, like Aam Aadmi Party, we have MIM, we have Janata Party, we have. There are many small parties. We club and make one as others. Okay. Now, guys, if I ask you a logical thinking, gender, we take one variable and any category column. Can you say, guys? category. Let's say qualification. Okay. Let's say first person is Kiran. Kiran have done PG. Then Rahul, graduate. Then Ragini, graduate. Then Shantanu, PG. Then we have Anisha, graduate. Then we have PG. So here we have gender wise, education wise. Now guys, according to you, can I say both are category? So we have to apply chi-square. Second, gender have any relation with qualification, guys? There is a rule, male have to do graduate or female have to do graduate. Can I say both columns are independent? Okay. So chi-square test of independence we are starting. So chi-square test of independence or association is applied column wise. For column wise, we check correlation. Tell you clear whether they are related or they are not. Any questions so far? Anisha, Ragini, Vallabh? That's kind of testing. So here we say qualification and gender does not have any relation. Second, let's talk about political parties which we have in. Let's say female Kiran going for the voting, B for BJP, C for Congress, O for others. Which party? Name. You have to give the number, I have to write data. Congress, BJP, others, Congress, BJP. Can I say gender having a relation with political parties, guys? Second point of view. Second point. Think like this way. Male, every person who go and give the votings. Can I say every person is independent? Every person have their own right to give the votes. Okay. So these are gender wise you have given the votings. Okay. These are the votes given. Let's take religion wise. I'm just writing a column first. Let's say Muslims, Hindu, Christian, Muslims. Just writing a random, okay? Can I say religion having impact on voting, guys? Yes or no? Logical, which happens in India. So can I say religion parameter play have a relation with the political parties who will win? So can I say these two columns have a relation? Agree. If I talk about gender having impact on qualification, no, they are independent. Clear? So when we compare a relation between two category variable, we use chi-square test of association, or we can call independence. Here we have two different variables, political parties and religion. And we logically we can say there is a relation happens. Clear? If this is category data, can we convert this category into frequency, guys? By using a count function, how many male I have, how many female I have, how many Hindus we have, how many Muslims we have. Same way, guys, I've taken different data. I just changed the name for you. A public opinion rule survey, a sample random of 1,000 voters. How many voters were selected? Thousands. The response was divided into male and female. The male also gave voting and female also gave voting. By voting preference, we have three parties: Republic, Democratic, and others. So male can give vote to Republic also, can give to Democratic also, can give to. Clear, guys, how this data is formed. Next, if there is a gender gap. Next, do the men voting prefer significantly different from women preference? So whether they have difference in voting or not. What is alpha we have taken? 5%. Okay. Can we call, guys, this is observed data? What is the formula to get expected data? I teach you now. Summation. What is the formula for expected data? I make you write now something.
Sir, ERC is equal to NR into
NR into
NC by N.
NC by N. Okay. Now, guys, if you can see, R stand for row, C stand for column. Now, what is first row, first column? First row, first column. NR, total how many we have? 400. Let me take our data, guys. You have to solve for N. Just cross check, this is the formula. Number of rows. Row 1, column 1. Can we call E11? Now the first point. Okay. How many we have in the first row total, guys? Total male, how many we have?
400, sir.
How many Republican we have?
450.
Total, how many we have? Can you solve? Same way. Second one. Let me teach you the second one, guys. AC12. First row, second column. What is the first row?
600 by
A first row, no? First row is male. Second row. First row is 400. How much second column?
450.
Anisha, now you will give for the third. First, what is the first row value?
Sir, the answer would be same, no, sir? E11 and E12.
It's okay, no? What is the value for first row, third column?
100 by
Can you solve? Can I say we solve for E11, E12, E13? Can I say we have done for one row? Same way can you do for E21, E22, E23? Solve this, guys. Getting the same number, everyone? E21,
Yes, sir. E21 also same answer, sir.
yes. E13, 40, yes. Done for E21. Clearly, so guys, are we getting same value? This is expected. So here we can say like this way. What is the actual numbers we have, guys? It's 200. And what we get expected with the first one? This is my expectation. For second one, third one, second to first one. So can I say we have observed data also and expected data also now? Can you put in the formulas, guys? Let me solve for you one case. I square. What is the first observed value? 200. Expected 180. Square by 180 plus second 200 minus 180, no? Same way can you do for all, guys? You can say a button over here.
सर यहाँ पे प्लस साइन क्यों आया 250 प्लस 270?
Because summation is there, no? Summation means plus.
No sir, inside the brackets 250 plus 270 आया ना?
250 plus
270 इधर डाउन सर, इधर फोर्थ वैल्यू में 250 प्लस 270.
so what is the number we have? This is 250 only, no?
Yes
Sorry,
sir.
300. My mistake. My mistake, I agree. This is 300 now, guys. $300, no? यहाँ पे मिस्टेक किया है मैंने. ये करेक्ट है ना? Let me cross check. 200, 150, 50. ये करेक्ट है. 250, 300. हाँ, it's correct, no?
सर वहाँ पे प्लस साइन आया ना, एडिशन between 250 plus.
Sorry, my mistake. Thank you. How much is the chi-square value, guys, you're getting total? 16.2.
So 16.48.
We're getting 16.2. I've done for each and every one. 16 point something you're getting, no? It's correct. Okay.
16.48, sir.
Somewhere you have done a wrong calculation. We're getting 16.2 exact answer. Next, guys, what is the formula for degrees of freedom? How much? I make you write the formulas, no?
Sir, R minus 1 into C minus 1
R minus 1.
into C.
Written over here, no?
Yes, sir.
How many rows we have? 2 rows. Male and female. Guys, total is not a data. Total we do for our calculation. Into C. How many columns we have? 3. 3 minus 1. I'm getting answer as 2. Till here clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, after this you have to copy hypothesis from here. Done everyone till here? So prior we assume there is no relation. Next we say we need to find we have relation or not. Done. So we have chi-square value which we calculated. We have degrees of freedom. We have alpha. How much is alpha, guys?
0.05, sir.
Chi-square table. Guys, I'm went to the Google on screen. I just search for the chi-square table at 5%. I get first value. Once again, let me cross check. Guys, at 5%, how much degrees of freedom we have? How much? Degrees of freedom is how much? 2, no? 2 rows, male, female, and 3 columns. So 2 from row and from column wise 5. What is the value? Can you write table value? So you can say our calculated value is 16.2. This is your cal. Yes, chi-square cal. Chi-square tab is 5.99. So guys, what is the conclusion? Just cross check. Check your table number 2. Soft. I make you write na methods. शांतनु आपको पता है मेथड्स क्या होते हैं? उनको बताइए. Guys, if you remember, I make you write the methods. You have to by heart that method. There's no option. Method number 1 on screen. Here we have calculate value and we have table value. So what is the calculate value we have done? 16.2. Table value. Can I say my calculate value is greater than table value? What is the conclusion we have? Nandhan over here. We reject. So can you write over here, guys? We reject S0 and conclude that gender having relation with voting preference. So gender also play a critical role for votings. Editor driven. Clear guys. Tomorrow, if you get any data in same format, can you solve? Easy, na? Okay. Next concept. We'll do 2 concepts on pen paper. Then I'll take you to the software. If you see in software also, guys, it's very simple. I just thought what I do on screen. From SciPy, I want to do chi-square test. Okay. Which test? Independence. Same data I've taken, which I've teach you. Everybody know how to import data now? Okay. Same data I've taken. Column names. How many male, female we have written, guys? Cross check. Male, how many? Female, you can cross check. Same hypothesis. Okay. Check the table, guys. Check the table. Check for female. Nothing after. I just have just first cross check the numbers. Male down okay, female up okay. Nothing else. If data gets shuffled, check for total Democratic. Then check the distribution of Democratic. Check for Indian parties, others party. Check for Republic. Anisha, Ragini, Vallabh, data match.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now RP stand for research spy. I want to do cross tab. Data for first column is gender. Second column is voting preference. What I want to do? Chi-square test. This is the table which I get. What is the chi-square value we get, guys?
सर मतलब यहाँ पर फॉर्मूलाज कुछ भी नहीं यूज करना. I mean,
This is the formula, no? Crosstab.
okay.
So when you have to apply any chi-square test, you have to use rp dot crosstab. This crosstab have a function of chi-square. What is the chi-square value? Exactly match. Now p value is how much? What is alpha we take? 5%. Can I say my p value is less than alpha? What should I do? Can I say the way we are solving on pen paper, same way we're getting answer over here? Easy, guys. Clear in Python also. Clear in your pen paper also. Next, we'll go for the second test.
Sir, small doubt.
Yes, please ask.
So how we calculated Kramer's-Lee already given value or
It's a given in the function. So for our convenience, we have to look at the p value and chi-square value.
okay.
This is extra given. The extra part you don't have syllabus, ignore this. So what happened? There is a table also called Cramer's table. So you have to open Cramer table and you can compare. So universal we use p value.
P value is taken from the table, sir.
Yes. Breaching. Okay, write this one. Once you're done with the example, I'll give you the break. No, this is second example, second concept. Write goodness of it. Topic name, goodness of it. And write this formula for goodness of it. Write example, and we can go for a break. People who have not done t-test, the people who have already solved and uploaded on Drive, first look at that. And same way you also try to do. Because at one next, what happened? Everything is coming on the bulky and you have examination. Okay, so you have doubts over there? Asking me. Data, you can take anything. It's fine. Correct. 30 condition is there, but data ज़्यादा है, we can convert to 30 also. I think you have yearly data every day. आप उसको sum करके month बना सकते हो, है ना? You can convert to week, quarter also. वैसे कर सकते हो. Guys, take a break of 10 minutes. Guys, 10 minutes break. It's 2 o'clock. 2:10 will start. Guys, once you're done, take a break. Come at 2:10. Guys, shall we start? So guys, we have goodness of fit. So let's take a small scenario to understand this. This calculation is very small, not very lengthy as compared to the previous one. Okay. Let's say we have 52 pack of cards. Have you seen these cards, guys? 52 cards. You have seen this one? Okay. So here we have 52 pack of cards. How many red we have, guys? How many red count we have? 26. How many black count we have? 26. So 26 red, 26 black. Can we call they have a ratio of 50-50%? Now next point. Let's say I require 2 students.
It's playing black, so
I've just taken 52 cards. How many are black? How many are red? So you can see over here in the screen, 26 are red color, 26 are black color. This is in general production. Can we call this become for you as a benchmark, guys? Every time company produce like the same way, guys. You benchmark it. Any company produce, they have to make 52 only. Can you make less? Can you make more? Next, let's say we have one person called Rahul. Okay. Second person we have Kiran. Rahul stay in Pune. Kiran stay in PMC. Let's say she stay in Mumbai. When Rahul purchases a card from Pune, okay, he went to the retail store. He said, "Give me 52 cards." Okay. When he opened the cards, okay, he get 26 blacks, 26 red. Can I say Rahul will be happy? What he want, he get it. When Kiran from Mumbai, she went to the retail store. She purchased the card, and she get 30 red and 22 black. She will be happy. No. Can I say this sample ratio or quantity is not equal to this benchmark? So if your sample data, it's similar to your population benchmark data, that time we use goodness of fit. Either ratio has to be same. Yes, sir. Can you see the ratio of Rahul is similar to the ratio of benchmark? If your sample benchmark is similar to your benchmark of your in general, then we say they are similar, they are same. We say it's a good fit. So Rahul good fit as per the benchmark, but Kiran not. Same scenario, guys. If you can see over here, example we have written an Acme toy company who printed baseball cards. Company claimed that the company saying, when I say company say it's a fixed benchmark, guys. Company say 30% cards is rookeries, 30% can we call 0.3. Veterans are 0.6, and all steps, all we have, all star we have 0.10. Till you're clear? This is a claim made by the company. So tomorrow any card is printed in any machine. Can I say everyone has to follow this benchmark? A random sample of 100 cards is picked up. How many cards we pick up? 100, one pack of cards. In this we have how many? 15 is rookeries, 45 is veteran, and 5 is all-star. Till you're clear? Now we need to compare this ratio should be equal to company claim or not. The ratio which we have over here, this ratio of card is similar to company claim. Till you're clear? Can you write this way? So here we say proportion of all the localities and materials all star is 30, 60, 90 will remain same proportion in sample. Correct? This is my sample data. So whatever proportion I have in benchmark, same proportion I will have in sample. That is my assumption. So when the card is made from the machine and we get in your hand, what we say? At least one proportion will fail. Can you write this? So can I say goodness of fit works on proportion wise and association works for column wise? No, you read H1, no? Suppose spelling mistake. Solve for degrees of freedom guys, done this one. Okay. Now we have to solve expected value because we have observed data. So find expected, what is the formula? N into P. What is the total value of N? How many sample we pick up? On screen, and there over here. 100. So each value 100 multiplied by the proportion. See, each value, each proportion multiplied by total count. Anisha, clear how we calculate expected value, guys? Ragini, Vallabh.
Yes, sir.
Now to calculate, observe the chi-square value. It's 50 minus 30, then divided by 30.
Hmm.
सर आई हैव अ डाउट लाइक अगर एग्जाम में आया तो पेन एंड पेपर भी करना बहुत
No,
पाइथन
only
करना
software. Madam, every solution you have to do in software only. Pen paper I am teaching you to compare the numbers कि backend में कैसे compute होता है.
बट सर अगर पाइथन में करे वैल्यू सेम आए
Python में ही करना है आपको एग्जाम्स में.
पेन
In
एंड
exam,
पेपर यूज ही नहीं करना उन्हें।
वो करना ही नहीं ना. You have to submit this Python file. When you submit for examination, you have to submit this one.
Okay.
Shall I repeat Anisha for you?
तो सर गॉट इट मेरा डाउट ये था कि अभी वैल्यूज आया ना
हाँ.
डेसिमल पॉइंट्स में सो व्हेन वी डू पाइथन विल गेट सम आंसर डिजिट्स राइट सो वो करेक्ट है क्या रॉन्ग आई मीन
मैडम जो आंसर पाइथन में आएगा वो हमेशा राइट रहेगा.
ओके
Okay. Why we am saying why it is always right? Because here what we are doing in pen paper. We are cross checking in Python. Means we are doing same thing in Python.
ओके ओके सर
Tomorrow, if you get any data, you solve, answer will be correct. That is the point. Guys, this is a third concept, which is your chi-square test of homogeneity. Okay. In chi-square test of homogeneity, if you see degrees of freedom remain same, expected formula remains same as per independence, and chi-square formula also remains same. No change in formula. If you want to write, you can write the formulas. It's okay. Write this formula again. Done, guys. That is example. We'll solve this. Okay. The way we have done prior, we'll do a solution. Python will do tomorrow. It will be heavy for you otherwise. I will repeat again the Python in chi-square for all three. Done, everyone? Online students.
Yes, sir.
Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
You speak, but what happened now? When you have a knowledge, then only you will be able to speak. You're this type of girl. You will never say up and down. पता है तो you will speak, otherwise you will stop. That is your nature. ठीक है? Rahul natures, he will speak. पता हो नहीं हो, half पता हो, half join कर देंगे अपने से. That is his nature, which I got to know. These two people speak when they see the numbers, because they have a habit of stats, ना? तो ये लोग तब मुंह खोलेंगे तब ये numbers से output देखेंगे. Otherwise they will not speak only. ठीक है? So when you have knowledge, only you will speak. Otherwise you never add any some point. तो ये आपका difference है. So ये difference पे आपको work करना है. Which I see in the classroom only. Like I asked question to Ragini, Anisha, Vallabh. Ragini speaks sometime, Anisha every time. You can also see, listen from the loudspeaker. Questions होने चाहिए. Questions तब होते हैं when you are in a capability of understanding something new. अगर already you know the part, why you will ask the question? तो ये आपके नहीं है. हाँ, आप पूछते नहीं हो. Which I also feel. So I give the genuine feedback. Don't want to affect your feeling. Okay, take positive way. ठीक है. Some people don't take in positive way. Some people take in a positive way. When you speak now, say segregate yourself. Madam, these are the things which I needed. I need presentation. I want people to come and present on a topic wise. It is my need. This will improve myself. आपको if you give them strongness, what they feel, no weakness. Got the difference? I'll give you a point if you keep on asking me. Everyday level, I'll give you some points. Always ourselves. Never entire. हाँ, वो आपको थोड़ा सा play करना ही होगा. And you two people try to never sit close to each other. You have backup yourself. आप दोनों इसलिए कि back हो, you behave like this way. Correct ना? थोड़ा तो नहीं किया, ठीक है, बताते रहते मुझे. आप ऐसा करते हो, वो दिखता है face पे. I can see from the code also, which you have uploaded on Drive now. Okay, वो code में सिर्फ data छोड़ के कुछ 60% code जो points लिखे हो ना आपने, similar way में लिखे. The way of writing sentence. If I say pronounce something on laptop, everyone have their own views. आप लोग के way भी same होते हैं. हाँ, हाँ Drive पे. आप लोग के ना way भी same है, way of writing भी same है. Way of pronouncing any एक topic पे when you say any comment, you both will give similar. Similar means, for example, if I say something about this watch, the company is Jaguar. आप लोग बोलोगे it's a cat, it's a wildlife. तो बोलोगे यार it's an animal. Word different है, but way of pronouncing में आपका बहुत match होता है code में. Code the description which you give on Drive. तो वो थोड़ा सा official बनाओ. Your masters. And second point, your MSc in stats. Okay. need any specific point from my side, you can call me also. Okay. I expect more from you as compared to these people. If I am not, for example, I give a scenario, I am not a chef. If tomorrow I go and start cooking, I will make a good food. मेरी specialty नहीं है वो. My specialty is stats. If I fail in that, na people will pin on me. If I fail on the food, na nobody will say, try to kiya at least. Think like this way. So you want to be a chef, or you want to be a person who do one time. So, guys, moving forward, we have done chi-square test of independence. Independence works on column wise. Point number 1. Goodness of fit works on percentage wise, or you can say ratio wise. Second, we have chi-square test of homogeneity. Homogeneity means similar. Homogeneity means similar. Okay. Here, for example, think like this way. There are men who are watching a Shark Tank. There is a man who is watching a Big Boss. There is a man watching a Kapil Sharma show. You are aware of these 3 shows?
Yes.
Okay. Same thing, guys. A girl is also watching. There is a boy and there is a girl. If let's think about one clear picture. There is a Big Boss going on. Girl is also there. Boy is also there. When you watch a Big Boss, how you feel? Can I give the rating? Whether you like or don't like? So can I say the Big Boss is created for everyone? For male also and for female also. Boys also, girls also. Can I say here I'm comparing girls and boys? The number of girls who like Big Boss, same number of ratio will also prefer by the boys. Any movie released by any producer, can I say they make this film in general, not specific to any gender wise? So here we compare boys versus girls. The preference of boys is equal to preference of girls. Clear? Easy. So here we compare row wise. So you just make a diagram, guys. Solution will do later. Not an issue. Write chi-square test and make 3 arrows. First arrow you write chi-square test of association. Write bracket में column wise. Mine is taking time. It's I'm saying you. Chi-square test of association. It works column wise. Chi-square test of goodness of it. It works for percentage wise. And homogeneity works for row wise. Guys, homogeneity we'll do later next time. Okay. And also because why I'm doing next time, so that tomorrow you should be also familiar with formula. Homogeneity. Anisha, Ragini, Vallabh, 3 students and Shantanu. Today, by default, you have to submit T-test on Drive. Clear for students? Give confirmation. Anisha, clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Vallabh, clear for you? Ragini. Next, the remaining students. You both, you two, have to give me answer on ANOVA. Only ANOVA. You can take data from Google also. You have to write as per the proper notes. Okay, Ragini. We can stop, guys. Done for the day.